Elvis's solid gold, Cadillac and songs, Beatles in limousines, shiny black and long, Hank Williams' lonely last ride at the crack of dawn, men in cars shooting stars across this universe of ours, kings and fools, patriarchs, but in the end they only are men in cars. From racing big wheels and Hot Wheels to racing hormones, to young love in the backseat of a hot rod full of chrome, a Jeep to take 'em fighting and a hearse to take 'em home. Men in cars shooting stars across this universe of ours, kings and fools, patriarchs, but in the end they only are men in cars. You can tell a lot about a man by the kind of car he drives, a metaphor for power or the comfort of the sky. Stars across this universe of ours, kings and fools, patriarchs, but in the end they only are men in cars shooting stars across this universe of ours. The need for speed will get them far, but in the end they only are men in men in cars.